Hey guys, I'm really freaking bored right now, and I'm gonna be broadcasting some reball hockey one-on-one. On this side we have number 10 Allen wrench, and on this side we have number 3/8 Allen wrench. Oh. He takes him out and go! 1/8 Allen wrench wins. Number 10 Allen wrench starts off with the puck. 1/8 Allen wrench. Oh, save! 1/8 Allen wrench coming up to 10th Allen wrench. Oh, misses the net. We're gonna start again. Oh, go for 10 Allen wrench. I'm gonna start. Oh, looks like 1/8 Allen wrench got the puck. Oh. Go for 1/8 Allen wrench. Oh, seems like number 10 has a buddy coming along. 5/16 Allen wrench against 1/8 Allen wrench. 2-on-1. Oh, what a save. 5/16 Allen wrench wins the game. I think it was 2-0. I don't know. I'm just fucking bored. My virtual crown. I might just do a video on the difference between using reballs with a virtual crown on standard compared to it with the extension collar on it. Some reballs, well, you don't seem to be going through there very well. Gotta take the lid off because this thing's shit with reballs. Alright, now I'm gonna put the standard one on the extension collar. Right. It's a little better, but still got to shake it like a bit. Okay. Gotta go, my mom's calling me.